Listen up. Silence is power. It's not just quiet, it's control, it's strength. It's the loudest statement you can make without saying a word. When you hold your tongue, you hold the room. People lean in, they wait, they wonder. Your silence forces them to confront their own noise, their own weaknesses. Most people talk too much. They spill their thoughts like cheap wine, desperate to be heard. But you stay silent. You let them squirrel. You let their words crash against your calm like waves on the rock. Unmoved, unshaken. Silence is your weapon. It's the pause before the strike, the calm before the storm. When you choose silence, you choose dominance. You are not hiding, you are commanding. Every word you don't say builds your presence. It's not about being loud, it's about being felt. The world is screaming for attention, social media, gossip, endless chatter, but you are the one who stand out because you don't need to shout. Your silence screams louder than their noise. Think about it. The most powerful moments in life are not filled with the words, they are filled with quiet. The stare before a decision, the breathe before a leap, the hush before a victory. Silence is where you sharpen your mind, where you forge your will. It's where you become unbreakable. While others are vomiting words, you are building strength, you are listening, you are learning, you are winning. Embrace it, master it. Let the world talk itself to death. You stay silent, you stay powerful. Because when you speak, it will shake the earth and they will know, they will feel it. Silence is not empty, it's loaded, it's power. Sometimes you don't need to shout to be heard, you don't need to wave your arms and demand attention. There is a kind of strength in stillness, a kind of power in being quiet. In this world we live in today, everybody is rushing to be loudest in the room. Everybody's got something to prove. People talk not because they have something to say, but because they are afraid of what happens when they stop talking. They are afraid of silence might reveal. But see, silence, real silence, that's where the truth lies. That's where clarity lies. And when you have been through enough in life, you have fought some battles and taken some hits, you learn that silence is not the absence of words, it's the presence of discipline. It's the decision to respond instead of react, to observe instead of explode. That's not weakness, that's control. You ever see someone try to rattle you, try to shake you out of your peace? They poke, they provoke, they say things not because they mean them, but because they want to pull you to into their storm. But when you remain quiet, not because you don't feel it, but because you choose to give. You ever see someone try to rattle you, try to shake you out of your peace? They poke, they provoke, they say things not because they mean them, but because they want to pull you into their storm. But when you remain quiet, not because you don't feel it, but because you choose not to give it your energy, that's when you win. That's when you shift the balance. That's when you take your power back. Anybody can yell when they are angry. Anybody can defend themselves when they feel attacked. But not everybody can stay calm. Not everybody can sit in the fire and not let the heat make them lose their mind. That takes something different. Dash take a kind of fire that burns inward, a fire that doesn't explode, it refines, and sometimes silence is the only answer that makes sense. You don't need to explain yourself to everybody, you don't need to break yourself down just so someone else can feel built up. Some folk will misunderstand you on purpose no matter what you say. Some folks don't want a conversation, they want a reaction. But when you remain silent, when you step back and hold your peace, you refuse to give away what took you years to build. You refuse to hand over your self respect just to win a moment. That's not just strength, that's wisdom, that's maturity, that's choosing your legacy over your ego. The world will try to make you feel like being quiet means being passive, that if you are not clapping back, if you are not responding, then you must be scared or unsure. But the truth is, silence is something that loudest message you can send. Silence says, I am not playing this game. Silence says, I have got better places to put my energy. Silence says, I am walking in peace and I won't let you drag me into your storm. That kind of power doesn't come from pride, it comes from growth, from lesson, from experience, from nights you had to cry and morning you still got up. It comes from learning that not everything need a response. Something need to be outlived. See, life will test you. It will throw situation at you that will make you want to scream. People will lie on you, betray you, push your buttons just to see if you will break. And in those moments, it's not the word you say that defines you. When the world is loud, when the people are throwing noise your way, when it feels like everybody's trying to pull something out of you, remember that you don't have to attend every battle you are invited to. You don't have to respond to every accusation. Sometimes the most powerful move is to stand still, to breathe, to wait, and let time show the truth. Let your peace be the protest. Let your silence speak the message your words can't reach. Because when you know who you are, you don't need to convince anyone. You just walk it, you live it, and eventually the noise fades, the truth stands, and the silence you kept becomes the proof of your strength. That's how you hold your ground when the world tries to shake you. That's how silence becomes power. You don't have to react to every opinion. You don't have to show up to every battle. Sometimes your silence says it all. I am not here to compete. I am here to fulfill my purpose. The strongest people are not the one making the most noise. They are the ones stand still while the world shakes. The strongest people are not the ones making the most noise. They are the ones standing still while the world shakes. They are the one who have mastered the art of restraint. Because real power is not about who can clap back the fastest. It's about who can remain unshaken in chaos. And that kind of strength, it's born in silence. In the moment you could have exploded but choose to stay calm. In the moments you protected your dignity when pride begged you to react. In the moment you stood firm in your identity while the world screamed for your surrender. Silence doesn't mean you are weak. It means you have grown. You have learned that not every insult deserves a response. Not every situation is worth your energy. You have chosen peace over pride, wisdom over impulse. Because it's easy to be loud. Anyone can shout when they are angry, defend when they feel attacked. But it takes a deeper strength to stay quiet. It takes courage to believe that time will expose the truth. It takes discipline to let your life do the talking. People will try to rattle you. They'll poke, provoke, and prod just to pull you out of your peace. But when you meet their chaos with calm, you disrupt their control. You show them you are not playing the same game. You are not here for noise, you are here for meaning. Being real means walking with purpose, not for applause, but for alignment. It means recognizing your silence as a strategy, your stillness as your strength. You don't have to win every argument. You don't have to have the last word. What you need is the kind of inner strength that stands firm, regardless of anyone else's noise. The kind that says, I know who I am. I don't need your validation. That's what silence gives you, the space to breathe, to think, to anchor yourself in a world built on noise and reaction. Silence is your shield. It separates those who seek control from the ones who already have it within. Walk like you know your worth. Stay silent when the world begs you to shout. Let your discipline speak for you. Let your silence be your signature. Because when you have nothing to prove, every action becomes intentional. And that's unstoppable power. Success is not an announcement, it's not a performance. The ones who truly rise are not out here shout. They are doing, grinding in the dark, failing in private, growing behind the scenes because they know silence is a strategy. When you stop performing and start producing, when you stop chasing approval and start building legacy, everything changes. Silence becomes your launch pad. In the shadows, you build strength. In the quiet, you gain clarity. When you stop explaining and start executing, real transformation begins. You want freedom? Start building without an audience. The ones who grow the most are not the one under the spotlight. They are the one who have given themselves permission to fail privately, to struggle without judgment, to raise without applause. That's how you master the long games. That's how you stay loyal to your vision. That's how you build something so powerful it doesn't need an introduction. The people who really have something going on, they rarely talk about it because they don't need to. Their results whisper what noise never could. You don't need a loud journey, you need a loud legacy. One that walk into a room and commands respect without ever saying a word, and that's only built in the moment when no one sees. The late nights, the early mornings, the quiet sacrifices. So let them talk, let them doubt, let them think you are doing nothing while you build something they never saw coming. Let their underestimation be your fuel because when you finally show the world what you have been working on, they'll know. You are not hiding, you are preparing. Silence is where vision take roots. It's where preparation lies, and preparation is what separates talker from finishers. Finishers don't burn out. They are built different, built in silence, fueled by discipline, driven by purpose. And when the spotlight hit them, it's not by accident, it's because they earned it. So let the world scream for attention. You stay grounded, you stay focused, you keep showing up quietly. Because when your moment comes, your result will speak with a thunder no word could match. You won't need to say a thing because your silence, it's already said everything. Thank you for being here.